We made it.
We made it.
We did.
So we're going to see how easy it is to catch the train from the airport to Seoul Station.
I hope it's very easy.
Because it's late. So we're heading in the direction of the signs that say Airport Railroad, and we're going downstairs.
And we're still following signs for Airport Railroad.
We actually bought our tickets on Click, and it was easy to activate it when we got here, and it's assigned us seats. We don't have to muck around with the machines, and I think it was actually cheaper buying it through Click. About 6 minutes.
So we're waiting for the train to arrive now. It was $25.03 for two tickets.
And you get told what car and what seat numbers you're on, and you just go and stand in front of them.
The only tricky part was Tanya had to swipe the QR code first, hand the phone to me while she went through the gate, and then I had to swipe it.
Only because I bought both of them on my phone instead of you buying one. Easy peasy.
直达Seoul站，请乘坐普通列车的乘客，根据
Very tired.
우리 열차는 4호차에 화장실이 있으니 이용에 참고하시기 바랍니다. The toilet is in car number 4 on this train. 本次列车的洗手间。
The AREX, as they call it, is the express train, and you can also get the all-stop train, which obviously stops at all stops along the way. This train, the express train, is taking us 43 minutes. It's designated seating. It's nice and comfortable. There's room for your bags.
Looks quite efficient, like as efficient as a Japanese train. It left exactly on time.
Yeah, and it was really easy to find where the station was. It was well signed, and
it was probably a little bit of a walk, but it's all nice and flat, or like the travelator walkways.
Yeah, we had a pretty good run from stepping off the plane. We got straight through immigration, like not even a 1 minute wait.
No.
We've got carry-on luggage only, so we didn't have to wait for bags. And from stepping off to getting on the train, we reckon it was around 20 minutes at the most. So,
yeah.